help. Ayan, guys. Ituturo namin sa iyo paano mag-change oil. Nga naman, oh. Yung gulong mo. Diba talaga. Wala nang kami. You need the gloves. Nice. How come it's too tight? How come they said it's too tight?
Not tight.
Just open. Pwedeng iluto. Make sure it's all empty. Yun lang pala yun. Is there a filter for that? Filter? No.
No, it doesn't have. You have filter?
I don't know. No need.
Okay, next time then you change it.
Where can you find the filter?
Filter is same place. From there.
Oh,
We have good filter, no need to change it.
it's still good.
Yeah, this farm. Oh, it's a good brand.
No need to empty it, or it's
It's
empty.
empty.
Oh,
That's it. Now we'll try if we can.
what is that? Olive oil or canola oil?
Oh, frying oil. Yeah. Olive oil.
Olive oil, so it's
Olive
good oil,
oil.
eh?
Yeah.
Very good oil.
But now how we can pull that?
We don't know how. Doesn't fit. Because it's still dripping. Oh, it's only. That's the way doing change oil. Next time Alex can do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Make sure it's. Very tight. How supposed to be? Very nice. Open the hood. It's 20 also.
Oh my goodness.
It's 20 also. Can I go to Canadian Tire?
Oh, you need 520, right?
530.
Oh, 530. Okay.
What you got?
Yeah, this is 530.
30, yeah.
And that's one white chicken is 520.
530. Yeah, the one I have is 520 also. You want me to go to Canadian Tire? Oh, I have 20 also.
Hindi mo magagamit ko.
Yeah. So I leave this here. No oil.
I took care of this is right now.
that?
So, yan yung oil na tinanggal sa car. Napakaitim na.
Oh, it's golden.
Golden because the
Black.
Not black, some other
cover
oil.
is yellow. When it's old, it's getting black.
Alright.
Mm. It's very hard to do change oil.
No?
Very easy.
You can do it next time.
Next time.
Alright.
I don't have the to
You
make
can
it
buy it.
price.
It's not expensive.
No, the what did you
You
call
can
it?
keep
Yeah.
up
The
there.
jack, yeah.
I give you that one too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good.
You don't check your oil?
No, I don't know how. Just get that one.
Now
Till
good.
here?
Yeah.
Maximum it means.
Yeah. So it's good.
What if it overflow?
No.
Don't overflow it.
It's a little bit, it's okay.
How
but
big
not
it is?
much.
What's
Hmm?
the size of the
5 liters.
5 liters
Yeah, I'll
only?
check now how much it is.
5 liters? That's okay.
5 liters enough.
5 is enough.
Give it to either next time.
You can
Anna,
have
look
it.
at your battery.
Yeah, need to
Change the battery.
hindi, just boil. Is it boiling water? Okay. Boil water daw.
Boil water and pour over.
Oo. It's okay to get it wet. Ayan, napakadali pa lang mag-change oil. Open the cup, change the
Yeah, so this one extra.
can you drive it if it's still working.
This one keep it on your home.
Very easy. Next time, I do it on my, if I have jack and point. Oh, so make sure it's 5W30. Synthetic one.
No, limit.